Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys my favorite cleaning products for the month of July 2019. Hi guys, my name is BMessy23 here on YouTube. I do lifestyle cleaning and beauty videos, so hit that subscribe button to be notified when I upload all of those and to support my channel. I am doing this in collaboration with Miss Unique Gifts here on YouTube. I will link her in the iCard above, but every single month we share our favorite cleaning products, and yeah, so let's go ahead and get into it. Alright, so the first one is a Mrs. Meyer's product. This is the Mrs. Meyer's Clean Day Multi-Surface Everyday Cleaner. It's a staple in my cleaning household and in my cleaning videos. If you've seen them, you know I love these cleaners. They are amazing. They are non-toxic. They are made with plant-derived ingredients and essential oils, which is amazing. But I actually don't know where the one is that I love, and it's in the basil scent. I have been addicted to that recently. So not the mint scent, but I definitely love the basil scent. Kind of smells like a hairdresser's. I don't know why I love it so much, but I do. And then the next favorite is a little bit of an odd favorite, but it's a lint roller. And if you watched one of my cleaning videos, you saw how I use this to clean something in my house really effectively. So make sure to click that iCard and check out that video to see how I clean with a lint roller. And no, I don't use it on my clothes. I use it on something very specific. So these next two items kind of go hand in hand, and they're kind of unique and kind of doing the most. But since I am an esthetician and a clean freak, I definitely get a lot of use of both of these products. So the first one is going to be rubbing alcohol. It's just a basic 70% rubbing alcohol that you can get at CVS, Walgreens, Target, any place like that. I'm actually needing another one because I'm actually almost out. I love this so much. I use it every single day on multiple things. But how I clean my phone is every single night I will get a cotton pad and wipe it down with alcohol, and then I'll put it in this. I'm going to take out the thing. And this is the thing I put it in. This is called phone soap. It is a UV light that kills the bacteria. It kills like 99% of bacteria or something using UV light, so it's very safe and non-chemical. We actually use this in the spa. We don't use like phone soap, but we do use a UV sterilizer for all of our tools. And a fun fact about this is you can even use it for anything that fits in here. So if I want to sanitize a makeup brush, I just put it in here. It fits really nicely. Close the lid, leave it for 10 minutes. It will have a light, and then it will turn off once it's finished, and you have a sterilized makeup brush. Boom, done, easy. So I use this for my tweezers, my phone, my credit cards, my keys, anything I can fit in here, I use it. So those two I just kill everything with, and I just really like that method. So those are my two like powerhouse items of the month. The next product is going to be something homemade, and all it is just some water and peppermint oil. It's in the middle of summer in the Midwest, and we have a spider problem. I'm actually locked in my house right now because there's a spider on a spider web right in front of my door. Alice saw it, and she like went after the spider inside, and I'm like, no, we don't want to go out there. It's gonna kill us. So I heard that spiders hate peppermint, so I just make a mixture of this. I need to get a bigger bottle. But yeah, that's a little something you can do. I spray down all the windows and everything with it, and I have seen a decrease of spider activity in my house. So, okay, so the next product will not be for everyone, but it is for me. I do have a retainer that I wear at night, and they get really nasty. If you have one, you know. So I went ahead and just invested in some dental cleaner, and it wouldn't be a video about me without me dropping something. So that was my little drop of the day, hopefully. But it's called Effordent. It's just a complete clean 5-in-1 cleaning system. Kills 99% of odor-causing bacteria, and it just deep cleans the retainer. So you just drop it in some water and you leave it for 10. I leave it for 20 if it's really nasty. You just brush it all off, and all the white crustiness is off of it really easily. So I do this about once a week, and yeah. The next product is a Mrs. Meyer's product, and this is the dryer sheets in the honeysuckle scent. And I have been using these for a while, and they smell so good. I don't know if I can smell it on my clothes though, but I do like this scent, so I do use it on my laundry if I remember to use them. I have actually quite a bit, and this has been with me for about a year. So, I mean, you get a ton in this little box, and again, it's made with plant-derived softeners and essential oils. It's a great alternative to the big brands that use a lot of chemicals in the dryer sheets. Okay, so the last product is something my friend was like, what are you doing? Why are you featuring that? But my drain got clogged, and I didn't know what to do, so I bought Drano, and it did what it did. It unclogged the sink. So it's a favorite this month because it unclogged the sink. But I don't like to use it that often because it's literally chemicals and it could kill me. So like, I wanted to not touch that as long as possible. But that concludes. Alright guys, that was my favorites video for the month of July. Let me know your favorite cleaning products in the comments down below. And be sure to check out Unique Gifts, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!
Thanks for not telling me. Really appreciate that.
Oh, it's out back.
Oh, okay, the other door.
Yeah, the other door. That's why I said no.
I was like, gosh.
No, I would have told you.
Thanks.
No, I'm locked in my house right now.
Not meaning to correct you, but like, yeah, any product is technically commercial.
You said commercial. Oh, big. Okay, sorry.
Love it, Bridget. Love it.
I'm a little stressed out. Okay.
Well, you don't want. It's not like you want to drink any cleaning product.
No, I don't even like to touch it now.
No, I agree.
Yeah.
So I was
Like-
like you.
No. Oh my god. Really?
Sorry. Love how you didn't want to touch something
just-
that you're featuring.
Didn't want to touch it. Didn't want to touch it.